How to fix keyboard typing wrong letters. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Start menu, then go to Settings. After that, search for Troubleshoot. Now go to Troubleshoot Other Problems, scroll down and then find your keyboard option. Now simply run the troubleshoot and then you will get the problem. After doing that, fix you will also get the solution to fix that. Use that and fix it. Next, go to accessibility, then go to keyboard. After that, here go to typing and then make sure you have toggle these multilingual text suggestion off and also these autocorrect misspelled words. Sometimes mm, the words that you type may not be added in the dictionary. So simply toggle this off as well, and then you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll get you in the next one.